Got something exciting to share with y'all.
I present to you the Thorlabs Mobile Photonics Lab Experience. For the last few months, we've been working non-stop to build out the perfect mobile lab experience. We drove all the way to Ohio for a custom trailer, retrofitted it to handle our tables and setups in Pennsylvania, and even threw some solar panels on it to keep it green. And then we branded it before bringing it back to our headquarters. For over 30 years, Thorlabs has been the place where students come for all of their photonics needs. And now, I'm excited to say, we're coming to you. Not only are we taking this thing on the road, but we're documenting all of our stops, all of the colleges.
So yeah, this vlog is really all about sharing our journey with all of you. We hope you enjoy it, and next stop, Stevens Institute of Technology. Let's hit the road.